Hi guys, it's Dawn from Let's Make a Mess Today. How are you doing? Listen, I want to try something. So I thought I would bring you along with me. What I'm going to do is add a zipper to this paper. And so I want to double it up. This is in my um, Grateful journal, but it's the only journal that's like handy right now that has empty pages. And so, well, I thought, well, I'll just add to this journal. Why not, right? Because I can. And we'll just go from there. What I'm doing now is I'm just adding this paper right here to the middle of um, this two sheets of paper to make it thicker. So I'll show you what I mean in a minute. Like that there, and then we're going to do that again. And we just want to make this thicker so that it can withstand the zipper. I'm sure we probably should be doing another one even, or we should even be doing it in cardstock, but well, that's not a bad idea to add a piece of cardstock to this. I have plenty. I don't know why I didn't do that in the first place. Let's just do this really quick. And there's somebody blowing their leaves outside right now. It's like almost 4:30, and it's like, why don't they do that in the morning, right? So me and my daughter are both like slightly annoyed right now. Like, really? Like they should be out there doing it when everybody else's gardener, including mine, is out there, right? Crying out loud. Anyway, so wham. First world problems, right, guys? First world problems. Okay, so let's do this really quick. And I'm going to go ahead and add some cardstock to that because it's right here handy. Let's just add the pink one. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, and somebody has just recently sent me these zippers in my Happy Mail. And I was like, oh yeah, I forgot I've been wanting to try that. So now or never. Let's just do it. Add this. Let's just see how it turns out. Now this is just a quick little test page, but I thought, well, you know me, I bring you guys along. I'm getting ready to put all my Happy Mail away right here. A little pile. And you know me, it's like, oh, squirrel. So here I am. All right, let's go ahead and cut this off. I think this pink will look pretty with that black zipper. If it works, I have no idea. I kind of feel like it will, though. I get this feeling that it just might work. I don't have my glasses on. Shame on me. Okay, so here it is. Okay, I got it. This blue one would look pretty. It's kind of like a diagonal, but I'm going to use this black one right here. So we want the zipper part on this side. See that right there? Like that. On this side. Now, if it was in another page, we could like take it off and actually sew it. But we're not going to sew it. We're going to glue it with some Aleene's. And yeah. So let's just do that really quick. Let's just go ahead and add some Aleene's. I better put my glasses on for this. Okay. So we're just going to put the Aleene's over here. Fabri-Tac would work too, and I do have some of that. But Aleene's works just as good as Fabri-Tac for a lot of stuff, you guys. FYI, and by the way, I don't know about this, but we'll see. We shall see. So now we're going to put this up here like so. And we're going to put that down like that. And we're going to let this dry. And then we will be back. Or will we? Yeah, let's just let this dry for a minute. And then we'll be right back. And can you imagine the possibilities? This is just a fun little element to add, you know, to your junk journals and your whatever. So, I don't even think we actually really have to let it dry. Let's just go for it. Now we unzip it. All right? Come on, unzip. You know you wanna. So you unzip it. Okay, so we should have let it dry. That's okay. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. And then we're gonna zip it back up. I know, right? You guys are, well, she's cray cray. Yeah, I am. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. Don't ask me why. Like, why? I don't know. I'm crazy. Okay. And then we'll go like so. I think we're going to have to let that dry now for sure. But I think it's a smart thing that we cut it. You know? It's perfect. Okay. If not, then we'll cut it with a whatchamacallit, X-Acto knife later. But right now, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna leave this probably until tomorrow, and we'll come back and see what kind of a disaster we have. Get back on there. All right, maybe we do need some fabric tack. But we're gonna try this. I don't have any staples in my stapler, so this has got to do for that. Get back there. Is this why you don't see this very often? Because it's exactly not one of those instant gratification things? Well, it's okay. Stay. Okay, guys, we'll be back. Hi guys, I'm back. Okay, so let's take a look at this. This is really cool. I'm really happy that I did this, and I just want to get it posted for you. So this is it. So if you can just unzip it, and there you go. You are in like Flynn, you guys. So what I would do now is I would take another piece of paper and double this up and then like make a pocket in here, right? So this will be a pocket. So let's go ahead and do that really quick. I'm going to go ahead and double this paper up right here so that it's thicker and make a little pocket, and I'll show you what I mean because it'll just be so cool. Not that. I'm trying to find something to double it up. Oh, I got cardstock. Hold on. We'll just use this hot bright pink. Hold on. Let's just put this pink in here. What we're going to do is we're just going to glue it in here and then cut it. That's double trouble. So let's glue this in here. And, yeah, let's just go for it, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and use some, I was going to use some aliens, but I'm going to go ahead and just use this really quick. And then we'll use, let's pull this out some. There's no need to be so close right now. There we go. Okay, so let's just put this in here. So I've always wanted to do this. Oh, look, I just want to rip that. I've always wanted to do this zipper thing, so I'm really excited that it worked, you guys. The possibilities are endless, and I know you're gonna have a ball doing it. So, I'm gonna get this posted as soon as I can because I know for a fact that every one of you are going to do this, right? And you're gonna have fun with it. I just know it. I know it. I feel it in my bones. Get rid of that one. Start another one. Well, don't rip it this time, Dawn. Although it doesn't really matter. It's not going to end up in the Louvre. We don't care. No drama allowed. Right? No drama allowed. Okay. Smooch that up like so. Scooch that down. I'm trying to smush this big globby piece, and then we're going to take this and fold it over like that, and then we're going to cut this, and of course you guys are going to do a better job than I do. I never do a great job, but it's okay. I'm just here to give you ideas and inspire you and show you that you don't have to be perfect. That's my whole dealio. I'm doing a pretty good job. I do. Okay. Got my white wine tonight. I just had dinner. I just got off work. Lauren had dinner ready. She had already eaten because she had to fly out the door to her job. So like 2 ships passing in the night today. So there's that. I'm not even going to worry about this right now. It's fine because these have anchored it. They're fine. But now, but wait, there's more. I want to put these aliens around the edge right now. Right around the edge like that. And I'm just going to smush it. I'm just going to smush it. So there we go. So that's on there like that. So now, you guys, we have a big pocket with a zipper opening. Isn't that cute? See, here's the zipper opening, and there's our pocket in there. Of course, still dry. It'll be better. But I just think that's so cute. And I've always wanted to do, I just got that glue on there. I always wanted to do a zipper, and it's perfect. So let that dry. And then you can always go around it with more washi tape, whatever you want to do. But I'm in a big hurry just to get this little zipper on paper posted. So basically, that is how you can make little ATCs with a smaller zipper. Because I actually saw some smaller zippers one time, and I almost grabbed them. There was a whole stack of them. But then I was like, no, I don't think so. But see, then you can make, there's a little pocket, and then you open it up there. I mean, I don't know. I just think it's super cute. So I'm sure you guys, or just to have another element in your, like, altered books or whatever. I can see Lori Marie making a lot of these, you know. Anyway, all right, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this idea. I hope it works for you. And I mean, I'll incorporate this into a page later, but I just did want to go ahead and get this done and up for you tonight. So I hope you guys like it. Let me know and show me on Facebook all of the things that you do with this idea. Okay, you guys? I know I feel I'm moving a million miles a minute, and I'm a little, but I need to take a deep breath and relax now that I got this specific page or idea posted for you. And now, I mean, I would staple around it to add more elements, and then I'm going to put some stuff on it. But right now, this is all I'm going to do on this particular page. All right, you guys, enjoy. I hope you like it. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye now.